To add event to calendar on a Nothing Phone 3a, we can go to the calendar first. So if you go to the app drawer, you should be able to find calendar app by Google. There we go. Now over here, we can press this plus button in the bottom right corner and choose event. Over here, we can set up the title for the event. We can also set it to be a task or a birthday. And then we have some configuration options. So for example, we can choose to make the event last the whole day, or you can choose when the event starts and when it ends. You can also, of course, choose the date over here. And then we also have the time zone, whether the event repeats or not. We can add people to the event so that every other person that we add over here should have access to, or should have the event visible on their calendars. Then we also have the option to add video conferencing. We can add location, we can manage notifications so we can be alerted or reminded about the event a certain amount of time before it happens, before it starts. We can also choose the color, add description, and add Google Drive attachments. Once you are done with setting up, we can press save in the top right corner, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!